Hello, Amy. Good evening. Hello, Amy. Good evening. Hi.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, can you hear me well?
Yes,
Very good. How are you today, Amy?
I'm happy.
Okay. Are you in your home now or are you in the other house?
My home is in my new home. My new home tomorrow.
Ah, all right. That's nice. So, what did you have for dinner, Amy?
I'm have I'm have I'm have house.
Wow, well, that's great, Amy. So, anyway, today we are going to continue our lesson in Unit 15. Okay, so I want you to look at the picture. What can you see here?
I can see the girl.
Very good. What can she do?
She she's eating.
All right, yes. She can ride a skateboard. Okay, so look at the picture. Where is the skateboard? Can you circle the skateboard, Amy?
Okay.
Very good.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, now look at this girl. What is she wearing?
A shot.
A t-shirt. Very good. Now, what's on her head? What is this?
It's a hat.
Okay, you say
Bottle
helmet.
hat.
Helmet.
Helmet.
Great job. So we
Helmet.
wear a helmet when we ride a bicycle, a motorbike, or a skateboard. So the helmet will protect our head just in case that there would be some accidents while we are riding. Okay, so do you know how to ride a skateboard, Amy?
Yes.
Wow, who taught you?
And and taught me.
Oh, you just learned on your own? All right. So instead of saying I'm taught me, you can say I learned on my own. Okay, again, who taught you?
I'm learn on my own.
That's right, very good. So do you still have a skateboard up until now?
What?
Do you still have a skateboard? Do you
Yes.
have a wow? What color is your skateboard?
It's a it's a pop. It's a yellow. Has a heart.
Wow, that's great, Amy. Okay, now look at this one. What can she do?
She she she's climbing.
Okay, say she can climb.
I can climbing.
Okay, no. If I ask you, what can she do? That means I am asking about this girl? Okay, so instead of I, you say she. Because we are talking about this girl, you say she can
She
climb.
can climb
Very good. Okay, what is she climbing?
and the tree.
Okay, say she's climbing a tree.
She climbing a tree.
Very good. What about you, Amy? Can you climb a tree?
Yes.
Wow. All right. So do you have trees outside your house?
What?
Are there trees outside your house?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Where do you climb trees? Do you climb trees near your house, at the park, or at school?
That's cool.
At school. Nice. Okay, that's great that you know how to climb the tree, but you have to be careful. Okay, be
What?
careful not to
Really?
fall. All
Yeah.
right. Now,
Yeah.
look at this one, Amy. What can you see?
I can see the boys.
Nice. What is the boy doing here?
The boy is clapping.
Okay, the boy is crawling. Okay. So look, this is, you say crawl. Crawl.
No, crow.
Okay. So crawling is not walking. So if you try to crawl, if you are crawling,
Yeah.
you use your hands and knees. Okay. So babies like to crawl, especially if they don't know how to
Teacher, I'm
walk.
6 years. No, I 7 years. I'm seven
Yes.
years.
Wow, that's great because you're 7 now. All right. Now I want you to look at this boy, Amy. Where is he crawling?
See, curling. The copy.
Yeah. He's crawling on the floor. Do you know how to crawl, Amy?
Yes.
Yes, Amy. Wow, that's nice. Okay. Now look at this one. What is the boy wearing? Look at the boy. What is he
The boy
wearing?
wear the color. Color.
Oh, what happened? Okay, what is the boy
Eh?
wearing? He's wearing.
Huh?
Yes, Amy. What is the boy wearing?
Boy wearing.
You
I don't
say,
know what it is.
okay, you say, he is wearing. You say, he is wearing.
He is wearing.
What's this?
She
What is he
is
wearing?
wearing.
Okay, so look, you say
Eh?
he is wearing a shirt.
Um,
Yes,
Hello.
I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry, Amy, because my internet connection is unstable. Okay. So anyway, let's look at the boy again. What is he wearing?
He wearing the coat shirt. Coat shirt.
Yes, that's all right. He's wearing a shirt and a pair of trousers. Okay. Now, look at this one. What can the girl do?
Is it's true.
Okay, say she can play.
Play.
You say she can
She can
play.
play.
Very good.
She
What
can
is she
play.
playing with? What is she playing with?
She playing with a basketball. What's
All
it?
right. You say she's playing with a balloon.
She wearing with the balloon?
That's right. What color is the balloon, Amy?
It's pink.
Very good. Do you like playing with the balloon?
Yeah, so this
Great. Okay. Who do you play with?
I play along.
Alone. All right. Now let's go back to the girl. Where is the girl sitting?
Mẹ ơi, nhìn xíu.
She's sitting.
Chơi đứa con chơi cô đói gì không? Mẹ cô ngồi.
Look at the girl. Where is
Thấy
she
không?
sitting?
What?
Where is she sitting?
And blank.
Okay. Say wheelchair.
Wheelchair.
Okay, now say she's sitting
We
on a wheelchair.
is sitting on the wheelchair.
Very good. Now look at the wheelchair,
Teacher,
Amy. What color is the
teacher.
wheelchair? Yes, Amy?
But I think she she don't the
Mm-hmm.
leg.
What is that?
There's a
Hello, Amy. I'm sorry again. I was out. Okay. Now, look, what were you trying to say? What about the wheelchair?
wheelchair.
All right. Do you have a wheelchair at home?
Yes. So
Wow. Who used the wheelchair?
my grandpa, but my grandpa is died. Teacher,
Ah, yes.
she. Oh, okay. Wait. Um, she
Okay. So,
she. Teacher, the leg she don't hurt, but she sitting on the wheelchair. The leg she
yes.
don't hurt.
Oh, that's right. Like she is actually physically well, but we don't know if she can walk or not. She probably couldn't walk. That's why she needs the wheelchair. Okay, so a person will use the wheelchair if they can't walk. They might can walk, they might walk, but they couldn't manage to stand. That is why they have to use the wheelchair. Okay, just like your grandpa. Why did your grandpa use the wheelchair?
Ung thư phổi là tiếng Nga là gì ạ?
Because
Cô giáo cũng biết hả? Lung cancer. Because my grandpa is lung cancer.
because he has
Cancer.
lung cancer. I understand. Okay, so most of the people who need the wheelchair have some illness. All right. So look at this one, Amy. Let's play a game. I want you to look at
Yes,
those pictures and match it. You can do it, Amy.
I do see the picture. I see the girl and the wheelchair.
Ah, just give it a time. Can you see it now? Can you
Okay.
see the next page now?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now look at the pictures and match it.
Teacher,
You can do it.
Khó tiếng là gì vậy? Khó tiếng là gì? Hả? This is difficult. I don't know how is matched.
Oh, match. Okay, let me give you an example. Now look at this first picture. Okay, so what's that? That is climb. Climb. So by drawing a line from that picture to the word climb means match. Okay, that is an example of matching. Let's match it. Okay, now your turn, Amy.
Okay. My turn.
Yes.
Okay. Here and here. Wait. Here and here.
All
Your turn.
right, Ron, very good play. Great job. What else?
Okay. Ê, sao nó có đứng im hoài luôn?
Yes, Amy.
Okay. Um, I don't know.
Okay, yes, you are right. We have here play, and this is run. Now just look at those pictures that you know and try to match it. You can do it.
Okay, I can do it. Here and here. Okay.
Okay, so we have jump.
Questions.
Okay, which person can jump? Look, jump.
Here,
Where is it?
here. Wait, here. Here. Ủa? Nơi em vẽ không có được. Here. Teacher, I cannot draw.
You cannot draw? Okay, now let me put a number on it. So we have number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, which number shows a picture that can jump?
Jump here.
What number? What number? You don't have to draw if you cannot draw. Just tell me the number. What number is it, Amy?
Two.
Number 2. That's right. Okay. Now, which picture shows a person who can swing? Swing.
7.
That's right. There you go. Now, which number shows a picture that can crawl?
5.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, try again.
3.
That's right. Number 3. Great. Now, what about a person who can ride? Where is it?
Mm,
A person who can ride. Where is it?
5.
Right. What number?
5.
Yes, that's amazing. What about a person who can hop? Hop like a rabbit. Hop like a kangaroo.
4.
Wow, well done on that one, Amy. You got a perfect score here. So that's 8 out of 8. Wow. So what do you
Wow.
like? Do you like heart or stars?
Like, 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 yes. Yes.
Oh, you like a tick. Okay, then I'll just give you 8 ticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, let's look at this one, Amy. Let's practice. Okay, look
Teacher,
at the first.
teacher, I
Look,
don't see the here. I don't see.
look at this one. Just give it some time. It's probably because of the signal. Okay, but here are they now. Okay, now look at this first picture, Amy. What can he do?
He can, he can, I don't know.
What can he do? He can climb. What about this
Right.
person? What can he do? What can this boy do?
He jump here.
He can.
Jump.
That's right. What about him, Amy? What can he do?
It's roll.
You say he can.
He can roll.
Nice. What about her? What can she do?
She can hop.
Amazing. What about this little boy? What can this boy do?
He can sip.
He can.
Sip. Sipping.
He can
He
ride. He can ride the skateboard. Okay, now what about them? What can they do?
mm, run.
What about the last picture? What can they do? Look at the last picture, Amy. What can they do?
They can play.
That's right. So I'm going to give you another 2 ticks, 1, 2, so that you get 10 now. Now, let's have more quiz. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here. All right, here it is. Now, look and choose the correct answer. Number 1. What is this book mostly about? A. Kids can run, or B. Kids can do many things.
Picture. I can see the picture. I can see map picture. I don't see the picture. I can see the map picture.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's probably because of the signal, Amy. Okay, let's just give it some time now. Just listen to teacher instead. Now, question number 1. What is this book mostly about? A. Kids can run, or B. Kids can do many things.
He can do run.
Okay, kids can run. Nice try, Amy. It's letter B. Kids can do many things. Now, what are the things that kids can do? What are the things that kids can do? Kids can run. Kids
One,
can
skip,
hop.
skip.
Very good. They can climb. What else?
They can they can walk.
That's right. Okay, they can swing. They can play. They can walk, and many more. Now, question number 2. What can be done inside a house? A, crawling, or B, climbing a tree?
Climbing the tree.
Very good. That's right, Amy. Okay. Oh, climbing a tree? Wait a minute. Can we climb a tree inside the house? Are you sure? Can we climb a tree inside the house, Amy? What can you do inside your house? Can you climb a tree inside your house? No. So what can we do? We can, what
Đúng
can
không?
we do?
Ủa, bây giờ con nghĩ hả?
Hello,
Đúng
Amy.
không?
I'm sorry again for my internet connection. All right. Now look at this one, Amy. Question number 3. Okay, so number 2 answer is we
I
can
don't
climb
see.
inside the
I
house.
don't see
Now,
you.
what about number 3, Amy? Look at number 3. What
Three,
can be
three,
done using only your body and nothing else? A, hopping and jumping, or B, swinging and riding?
hopping and
What's your,
hey.
are you sure? What
No,
part?
B. B.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Is that your final
Oh,
answer?
um, no, A.
What's your final answer?
A.
All right, nice try. It's letter B, swinging and riding. Now, question number 4, Amy. Listen. Okay, so you have to understand the question. Don't just guess the answer. Number 4, how are running and jumping alike? A, you need to use a helmet to do both, or B, you use your legs to do both. Very good. Oh, hmm. Jumping. Oh, wait a minute. What's your answer? A or B?
B.
All right. Very good. You are right. So when we run and when we jump, we use our 2 legs. Okay, now last number. Which words means the opposite of play? A, hop, or B, work? Opposite. Opposite means
A.
not the same.
A.
That's actually letter B. So for this one, you got 1, 2, 2 out of 3.
No.
Okay. So better
Teacher.
luck.
He
How
too.
many?
He too. He
Okay,
too.
3 out of 5. So thank you so much for joining our class. Sorry for my internet connection. I hope you learned something and see you on Wednesday. Bye.